Fire Safety and Prevention.
By Ben Blamer.
Lindsay Dixon.
Jacqueline Fassey.
Who can benefit? Recreation professionals working in at-risk environments for possible injury, damage, or loss from fire hazards. This means everyone and everywhere.
Common classes or types of fires include Class A fires, which are ordinary combustibles such as trash, wood, paper, and other things that can just be put out with water. Class B fires are caused by flammable liquids such as gasoline, propane, motor oil, paint thinner, and other types of combustible liquids. Class C fires are from electrical equipment where high voltages are present. K classes are from kitchen greases, including vegetable and animal oils and other sorts of fats. Class D are pretty irrelevant in recreation and leisure things because they are from combustible metals such as sodium and magnesium, which are only found in industrial environments.
At the conclusion of this presentation, students should be able to identify the 3 uses of fire extinguishers commonly found in parks and recreation settings.
The first and most common type of fire extinguisher is called an ABC class. It is called this because it can extinguish Class A, B, and C fires. They are by far the most common because of their versatility. They're found in most public areas such as hallways, office areas, and the like. They have a dry powder extinguishing agent inside of them. K classes are found in kitchen areas, especially where cooking with grease is present. They have a liquid extinguishing agent which does not fuel grease fires like water does. And they should be placed within 20 feet of all deep fryers and skillets, stoves, and everything else. And they are also rated to extinguish Class A fires. Carbon dioxide or CO2 extinguishers will be found in areas where high voltage electricity is present. They can also extinguish industrial liquids and acids and are commonly seen in electrical rooms, maintenance shops, mechanic shops, etc. They contain obviously carbon dioxide gas rather than a liquid or a powder to prevent electrical shock from high voltages. These are important to know because using the wrong type of fire extinguisher on the wrong type of fire can have serious repercussions. As you see here in this training video, a prospective firefighter is attempting to put out a fire fueled by propane gas with an unsuitable type of extinguishing agent, and that's what happens.
At the conclusion of this presentation, students should be able to demonstrate the proper use of a fire extinguisher in an emergency situation.
Use the pass method when putting out a fire. P. Pull safety pin. A. Aim at the base of fire. S. Squeeze handle. S. Sweep nozzle side to side.
This is important because not knowing how to use a fire extinguisher or not using it in the correct way can also lead to further danger or possible injury.
よろしくお願いします。はい、よろしくお願いします。あ、もっと。もっとですか？はい。もっと大きいですください。ちょっと出ないね。完全だよ。そうか、完全だよ。自分の上向けたら危ないよ。
In addition, you need to know when your fire extinguishing equipment is not large enough or the fire is too large for your extinguishing equipment.
Ашановский огнетушитель.
Что?
Да.
Охуеть! Ты урожок.
Не покупайте ваш.
At the conclusion of this presentation, students should be able to perform a simple visual inspection to ensure that fire extinguishers are in working order and up to fire code.
Fire extinguishers should be visible and free from obstructions. They should also be clean and free from corrosion and rust, and free of dents and other damage.
Important hardware each extinguisher should have: wall mounting bracket, hose and coupling, pole pin and security seal, and hose strap. The last steps for inspecting a fire extinguisher are to ensure that the pressure gauge is at a correct pounds per square inch, as well as keep an inspection record tag on each fire extinguisher that is dated and initialed.
But you can only do so much. Each fire extinguisher should be professionally inspected every 6 years.